Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to, or more like tell you how to properly dispose batteries. So first, I'm going to start on the topic of alkaline batteries. So here's an alkaline battery right here, and usually these go with household hazardous waste collection for special recycling. Many stores also have a return to vendor box for batteries, so see your local municipality for details. Even some have regular community environment days for easy drop-off or pickup. So that's what you do for alkaline batteries such as these. Specifically on the topic of batteries, for 9-volt batteries, make sure that you put a strip of electrical tape here when you take it to a special facility for disposing, because these can be a fire hazard, and it is possible they can start a fire, especially if present in a landfill. If you have rechargeable batteries, such as this one, and sometimes these are prone to not working anymore, dispose of them just like you would any battery at a special hazardous waste collection site. Same with these button batteries, these are no exception. They contain stuff like mercuric oxide, lithium, silver oxide, or even zinc air, so none of the stuff is good for the environment. So make sure you take that to a landfill, or not a landfill, a special facility to dispose of them. And sometimes, I don't have any at the moment, but if you have any batteries that have any corrosion or are leaking, for example, if you have a 9-volt and you have some rust going down here, which this one doesn't, but you can imagine that. So what you want to do is it's kind of hard to dispose of these batteries, and places that recycle batteries won't accept these. So the Environmental Protection Agency and other agencies encourage people to bring all dead batteries to a household hazardous waste collection or approved recycling center for battery disposal. Batteries that are casually discarded in normal trash pickup cycles can have serious effects on the environment that include saturating landfills, eventually leaching into the soil and infiltrating the water table, or entering the atmosphere after incineration. Some of these metals can actually enter the tissues of organisms and have deadly effects on the health, such as some types of cancer. So these are pretty much the majority of the ways to dispose of just regular batteries. I'm not going over laptop batteries in this specific video, but I will go over them. So some steps you can take to be more eco-friendly with your batteries. You could select batteries that have lower levels of heavy metals that reduces environmental impact at landfills. Other steps you can take, you can select alkaline batteries when possible. Alkaline battery manufacturers have reduced the level of mercury in their products since 1984. So yeah, alkaline is better for the environment. Opting for silver oxide and zinc air batteries instead of mercuric oxide types will contain higher levels of heavy metals, and heavy metals can be toxic to organisms or to the water system because it leaks into the water tables. Use rechargeable batteries when possible. It's pretty much obvious that they reduce the amount of batteries in landfills, and yes, they do go bad, but it's a lot less batteries used when you recharge them. But on the downside, they do contain heavy metals, so maybe that one is kind of shaky. Or the best thing to do is you could buy hand-operated solar power devices when possible. And I understand this may not always be possible. So yeah, that's the basics of how to dispose of batteries and how to reduce your impact. So thank you for watching.